Parkville, Missouri, on this property that is a soon-to-be Vineyard Winery that a couple have always wanted to pursue for some time now making that a reality. We're building them a pond and a building pad for their venue. The pond will be an irrigation source to supply water for the crops, while the pad will be for the building foundation for the winery.
So here's the site for the pond that we're going to be building. This pond is going to stretch from over here in this area and come all throughout here, go way back there, and come in here and kind of loop around right here. We're going to be knocking out two birds with one stone on this project. This hill back here, they're going to be putting a building up there. So we're going to basically take the top of that hill, go all the way across, and take all that dirt and put it in a dam right over here. We have about an acre of land to an acre and a half of land to clear here, and then we're going to get started on the dirt moving. All the harvestable logs we have basically stuck to the side. We're going to haul all those off. All the other material, that's all the limbs and stumps, we've burned, and that has now basically disappeared. We're left with our nice logs. If you look behind me down there at the bottom of the hill, you can see the silt fence we installed. That'll stretch along the entire downhill slope of the project, and that's going to catch any of the dirt that washes out in rain events and prevent that from getting into the streams and lakes around here. So we have backfilled that silt fence a little more than we usually would, since there's going to be so much water running through here. We want to make sure it stays in place. We are good to go for our topsoil stripping. That's what's next. What that means is we're going to take our topsoil off this entire area. All the topsoil is going to come over here, lining that hillside over there on the right hand side. And we're going to make that a little bit less steep to manage their vines a little easier. Alrighty, it's a super exciting day. We just finished the pond project behind me, and as you can tell, I think it looks absolutely stunning. We installed our core trench, built up our dam, put in our overflow, put in a rock dissipation pad, finished off the building pad. Went ahead, finished, graded everything, did all of our topsoil replacement, and now it is ready for seed and to take on some water.